કિયાના કોચિંગ ક્લાસીસ, ન્યૂ એસી ફીટ રોડ, ખોડલ ચોકથી તદ્દન નજીક, મંટોકી રેસ્ટોરન્ટની સામે, આસોપાલવ ટ્રાયેંગલ, 4th ફ્લોર, મવડી એરિયા, રાજકોટ. જ્યાં આપના બાળકને સ્કૂલના દરેક સબ્જેક્ટની સાથે સ્પોકન ઇંગ્લિશનો કોર્સ પણ કરાવવામાં આવે છે. તો આજે જ સંપર્ક કરો @કિયાના કોચિંગ ક્લાસીસ.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanya. I study in 5th standard Rajkumar College and also I study in Kiana coaching classes. And today I will tell you about my state, which is Gujarat. Gujarat is situated in the western part of India. There are many big cities in Gujarat. And the capital city of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and each of them has its own peculiarity, and all of them have their own history. Ahmedabad is founded by Ahmad Shah. Bhavnagar was developed by King Bhav Singh. Vadodara was founded by Kayak Nak, and Porbandar is also known as the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. And last, I want to ask you a question. Will you give your valuable vote to Bhajap or Congress? And don't forget the date. It is 7th of May. Thank you.